Hey guys, how are you doing? Hey, I am live, coming to you live from an island in Alaska, and I am standing here right in my beautiful harbor. Hopefully you can see my harbor. And the one beautiful thing today is, let me see if I can get my comments here. I don't know. One beautiful thing today is being on an island in Alaska. Well, I also live here is a rainforest, so that is the crazy part, is the rainforest, you have a lot of rain. So today we have the sunshine, and I'm so thankful for sunshine and so blessed to have this beautiful glorious sunshine on me here in the harbor. I really appreciate our harbor here too, because we've been on many boat rides and had so much fun. So that's another reason why I wanted to share this here. Hey, glad you're on. Thanks for joining me. How are you doing? It's really sunny, so I can't see exactly what you're saying in the comments. I apologize for that, but I'm just really thankful to be here today, and thankful for my mountains, the water, beautiful harbor right behind me, and it is a blessing, and it's really a powerful place to be. It really is, to be here in this gorgeous place. And I wanted to tell you my story today. And I can tell you right now that when my kids were young, I chose to be an entrepreneur. You know, I really wanted to do and be around my kids all the time, be part of their life, and be, you know, I want to be running around taking them different places for someone else to watch. I just chose that when they were young, and I can tell you now I have 7 grandkids. I've been very blessed. I'm very thankful to have that many grandkids. It is just so amazing to have 7. I mean, wow, it has just been so nice. I hope you can see me okay in the video. It is so quite so sunny out, and I appreciate you getting on here. I'm on this island in Alaska, and I really appreciate the harbor here, and I'm very thankful to be able to have this, and I'm really soaking the sun up today. It is so nice. It's been like that like all week, so I've really been blessed for that reason too. And if you ever lived in a rainforest, you'd get that. Or maybe Seattle, I don't know, someplace where it rains a lot. But I wanted to tell you a story about Amanda. Now, I've known Amanda probably 3 years, okay? At least 3 years, and we worked together online because, you know, I'm an entrepreneur, and Amanda and I would work together, and we made money. Amanda was my sponsor, but she was really more of a mentor because she was a powerhouse woman. She was really good, really cared about people, and I did what she did because she showed me what she did. Multiple 6-figure earner showed me what she did, and I followed her, and I did what she did, and that was truly a blessing, huge blessing. And you know, that just means so much, because it's hard to find people like that really care about other people, that really want them to do well. That's a tough one. So I was very blessed that she was like that, and I was just so thankful to have met Amanda. Well, let me go on in this story. This is the crazy part. I can tell you this, that during the time I knew Amanda, during the time that our pandemic has been going on, you know what Amanda did? You know, making the money she makes, why would she have to do anything? She could relax and you know, be hunkered down like everybody has been, and just do her thing, right? She could do that and enjoy her family, right? I mean, you know, she had made it. She'd worked really hard to get where she was going, so why wouldn't she, right? Well, let me tell you, Amanda, this woman, she spent 4 months creating this model, business model that I got into with her. And that's incredible when you think about it. 4 months she spent creating that, and I'm just so thankful for her doing that, and for her being just, you know, that care. She wanted to make something that everybody could earn money at, you know, and that was really incredible for her to do that, for her to want to do that. I mean, who does that, right? And, you know, just like, honestly, just like Paul Harvey, the rest of the story is the fact that Amanda sat down and did this during this pandemic time, right? During a time when people are suffering, people are having trouble, people are losing their job, people, you know, kids can't even go to school. I mean, it disrupts every part of your life. And she sat down and created this new business model. And I've been so very thankful for her for doing this, because it has been such a blessing to so many, many people. And I'm just thankful that I had known Amanda so long, that I had worked with her, that I had watched her, that I had been part of her group, and I could see how she worked, how she took me under her wing and helped me. So when she introduced this new business model, I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna do it. So that is what I did. I chose to get on board with what she had going, what she created. And, you know, the rest is history, because I made $650 today. I made that today, and I didn't sell anybody. I didn't talk to people. I wasn't scrambling, trying to get someone to get on my site so they could join me. I didn't do any of that. In fact, I was actually never chased anybody. People were chasing me to want to learn more about the business because of the incredible results I had, you know, and that is just amazing. It really is. And so altogether, I made $4,100 since I got in with Amanda, and it has been a sweet ride since. So sweet. I don't sell, I don't talk to people, I don't try to worry about, I don't worry about any of that. I do what I'm trained to do. I apply the training and I do what I'm trained to do, and that makes all the difference. If you could do that, if you can follow instructions and do simple tasks, you don't have to worry about the rest. You really don't. And I did that. And that was so much of a blessing. I mean, I love to get up and do what I do. I don't have to, you know, worry or stress over this recruiting. I don't have to do recruiting, see. So that is incredible. People chase me. I don't have to do it. I get up, do my couple hours of work, and boom, I'm done. I can spend the rest of the day in my harbor, in my rainforest, you know, out just running around the island. So it has been a real blessing to be able to do that, and be able to have that time freedom to do that. And now, in the next couple of weeks, I'm going on a vacation, as if being on an island isn't quite the vacation. It is. I've seen things I've never seen in my entire life. It's been such an incredible time here, but I'm going to go on a vacation. I'm going to be going to Florida. Now, I'm in Alaska, but I'm flying all the way to Florida, which will take a long time, but so worth it. I'm going to be flying to Florida, going to the biggest birthday bash we've ever had in our family, which is going to be so much fun. It's like a reunion, and I'm excited, and I look forward to it. And one reason is because I do have such freedom. I don't have to ask my boss, can I go? Can I get time off? Is it possible? I just go. I can do my work from anywhere, and that is such a privilege and a blessing to my life to be able to do that, because I'm a free spirit. I don't want to be tied down. I don't want to have to get in the car and go anywhere to work and answer to somebody else. I like doing my own thing. I love being in my harbor. I love getting in the boat, going over to another island, which we did last weekend. It was so fun. I love all these activities. I love the outdoor, and I love nature, and it really, really, really is me, you know. It just really is, and I just resonate with all of this that I am able to do. And I just wanted to tell you my story because it has been such an incredible journey. I just wanted to share that with you today, and I was hoping hopefully you can see the harbor behind me too. It's so sunny, I can't see my phone as well, so if you're writing me, I will answer you when I get off, and I really appreciate you getting on too. Really appreciate you watching today, and I thank you so much for that, and just enjoying soaking the sun up, honestly. This is such a treat. It is a beautiful day. And I'm just thankful for all of that, and I just wanted to share my story. So I appreciate you watching, and I will let you go. And I so thank you for being a part of this today. So bye from Alaska. Thank you.